Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on your YouTube channel. To do that, guys, you want to go ahead and of course go to youtube.com. Currently, I'm in YouTube Studio, but if you don't know how to access that, I'm going to show you easily how to do it. Just take a second. So you're at youtube.com. All you have to do is click your account on the upper right hand side and click your YouTube Studio. Log into your YouTube Studio, and from here, in order to change the currency on your account, you want to click on settings on the lower left, and here on the general you have currency. Click the drop down, choose whatever currency you want. So let's say I don't want to use USD, but I want to use, for example, euro or the currency of my current country. Whatever, I can go ahead and I can choose that. So you want to scroll through, find it. So let's say mine is euro, I can go ahead and choose euro, or let's say mine is pound because I live in the UK, mate. I can go ahead and I can basically select GBP and basically click and save. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.